Believe it or not, it's time to winterize your vehicle.
Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram has a quick and easy vehicle oil change and service inspection that will help you keep your vehicle on the road all season long. Hi, I'm Vic Jensen, Service Manager at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
And I'm Floyd Wendler, Service Advisor at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. It's already cold. Why worry about your engine coolant? First, we want to make sure the system is not plugged with old dirty coolant. We need to make sure the coolant system is clean and operating to its full potential to ensure you have adequate heat on cold days.
The coolant system inspection is part of the Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram 6-point weatherization inspection and is included with your next oil change, which includes semi-synthetic oil, new oil filter, and tire rotation for only $74.95.
Keeping you safe is our top priority this winter season.
Get started today. Call us to set an appointment and enjoy our new no-charge pickup and delivery service.
Thanks for considering the new oil change and winterization special from Staunton Chrysler. I'm Vic Jensen.
And I'm Floyd Wendler. See you soon at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, West Frontage Road, I-55 and exit 41, Staunton.